This $1,000 marvel of technology, the iPhone X, is officially in stores. This premium device, of course, comes with a premium price tag, so you know you're getting top-of-the-line everything when you shell out $1,000 for this phone. But how strong is it? You are about to find out.
Testing, shooting, rolling in 3, 2, 1. What's up guys, Christian here, and today we have the world's first extreme drop test on the iPhone X. If you're new to the channel, you might find this video a little bit extreme because we do stuff that nobody does. So this is the drone that we're gonna use to make the drop test. We're gonna attach the iPhone X to this drone. The drone is gonna fly all the way up to 1,000 feet and then it's gonna let it drop. What's gonna happen? Will the phone crack? Will it survive? Will it explode? Well, there's only one way to find out, right? So let's go outside and let's roll.
So first we're gonna attach a rope to the iPhone. Then it gets hooked up to the drone and goes 1,000 feet into the air. And then everybody holds their breath as they see the phone come back into the atmosphere and see if it can survive the impact. We love putting your favorite smartphones to extreme tests to see how durable they really are. And this test is our favorite because if your phone can handle this, it can handle anything.
All right guys, here we go. I'm gonna try to stay straight ahead. All right guys, here we have the iPhone X ready to be dropped from 1,000 feet. Let's go. Check this out guys, we are still going up. We have the Mavic and here we have the Inspire 2. Both are going up. It looks amazing. Try to get the water in the background with the Mavic. Okay. Okay, get ready guys. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let it drop.
Flying really slow, dude. Yeah.
And the camera is still working.
Amazing.
The phone is it's still recording.
Ooh, the back doesn't look so good though.
The back, let's check the back. Whoa! Check the back.
It's still fucking recording, crazy.
This phone is so strong. The screen is fully intact. The camera is still working. In fact, the video is still recording. Maybe I'll upload this to my Instagram so you can follow me there if you want to see it. But I'm shaking guys, it's too much adrenaline. But check this out. The back is completely destroyed. The phone dropped here. That's where it hit the pavement. And that's right here, this hole was in this part. Amazing. We're gonna clean it up and we're gonna check if there are any more damages.
Man, that's hard to believe, but after a 1,000-foot drop, the screen is still intact. This screen does seem like it's a little stronger than the previous generations. Apple's really pulled out all the stops for this phone. It helped that the phone landed on its back instead of the front too, of course. But the impact was pretty tough in the back of the phone. The glass is in hundreds of pieces. And you can see that Apple trying to make this thing as thin as possible meant that they really went thin on the back glass too. I mean, you can pretty much see through the phone now. The frame is bent a little bit on the upper left side, but overall, we are super impressed that this phone took that hit so well. It's still fully functional, all the rest of the components remained intact, and you could still use it as a phone if you wanted to. Now, not many phones are able to survive a 1,000-foot drop. We've seen a lot worse. And the iPhone X is one of the strongest phones we've ever tested. So if it can survive a drop like that, oh yeah, it can survive anything. Just make sure you got a case because the back glass is pretty fragile. So we give the iPhone X an extreme durability test score of 9 out of 10. Oh, by the way, we've partnered up with the Hack Spot and we're giving away a brand new 64GB iPhone 10. You just need to be a subscriber of both channels and leave a comment on this video. Check out all the details below. Oh, and by the way, we've got a lot of cool videos coming up, so if you're new here, be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, so you can be the first to know next time we put one of your favorite electronics to an extreme durability test. This is Drew from Unlock River, hoping that your phone had a much better day than ours.